Hey, I'm Robin, the owner and founder of High Prairie Outdoors. Thank you for considering us. We're thrilled to be a part of your journey towards creating an outdoor space that transforms your home and your lifestyle, even if it means helping you find another company who may be a fit for your project. Watch this video to see who we are a great fit for and who we may not be a fit for, and what to expect when you fill out the contact form. When you contact us, you'll immediately gain access to our exclusive guides and resources tailored to how you fill out your form. So please take a moment to give some details. You'll receive a welcome email with access to more resources and important details to help you understand our processes and pricing. Our clients are discerning homeowners who want to do things right the first time. They value investing in longer-lasting environments over pursuing the cheapest price, understanding the wisdom of long-term returns. If this sounds like you, we might just be the perfect fit. Since our specialization and teams are tailored to high-style, complex residential outdoor transformations, we're not a fit for every project, and we'd hate to waste your valuable time. We are not the right choice for small or simple scopes that don't require a high level of skill, such as a simple drainage or planting project, projects focused solely on the lowest price, most commercial projects, unless they include specialized structures or pools, or a la carte services or one-off maintenance tasks. If we're not able to help, we're happy to refer you to a list of reputable providers. Alternately, if you feel that you're seeking an elevated space with a higher level of craftsmanship and style, let's connect. We're not just a landscape company. We're purveyors of the al fresco lifestyle, which means getting out in the fresh air to increase your wellness. Our designs are engineered to enhance your life, creating gratifying and fulfilling outdoor environments that reflect your style and elevate your everyday living. With High Prairie Outdoors, you're not just creating an outdoor space, you're investing in a lifestyle. Fill out the contact form or give us a call. Let's work together to bring your vision to life.